morning, everybody. It is about 10:15 on Sunday, October the 30th. My dad is actually here, but I have some assignments that I need to do today. And I have some fun things that I want to do. I'm probably going to go out to eat with my dad today. And I want to carve my pumpkin today and bake pumpkin seeds. I want to bake cookies today. So we're going to try and do like everything and just have like a grand old fun time. And I got to do some cleaning. I did most of my cleaning yesterday. I just started some laundry yesterday and picked up the trash in my room. And now I have all my freaking laundry folded. I just now need to put it away. And also I want to bring my keyboard up here, and I actually want to put it like right over here. Maybe. I might have to move some stuff around. Let me show you guys, okay? So I was thinking of putting my keyboard here, but the closest plug is gonna be like behind my TV. So what I might do is I might move this little bedside table somewhere else. Like maybe I'll put it over there. And then my laundry basket, I might put it in that corner over there. So yeah, let's get to it. Struggle. So leftovers for lunch. It's kind of late, but practically for early dinner, but I'm hungry. Happy Halloween. So we can't like schools, you can't like really wear like Halloween costumes there. You can like dress up, I guess, but like I have my Jason shirt on and then I have my little ghosty earrings on. So yeah, spooky season. Alright guys, so I just got home. I didn't work till 5 because I was tired today. And then I didn't practice today. I was going to, but I'm honestly so tired today. And it's good. But I did get my things that I ordered yesterday from Amazon. So I got like a phone stand. I'll provide the links down below if you guys are interested. And then I also got like a tablet stand. So I'm excited, and then I'm supposed to be getting a package from Topicals because I got an email from them like last week and they wanted me to join their ambassador program, and they sent me some products, and I was like, okay. So I will link I have my flow page down there, and it has all my socials and my discount codes down there. So you can always check that out. But when it gets here, I will unbox it as well. But yeah, I think that's. So I got both of these for like $20 because I think they were on sale for now. Those prices will probably change. But I will keep these in my link because I have like a little section on my, if you guys open my description box, I have a section where I put like all, where like I have all my, like study, I don't know what to call them, like the stuff that I bought, like my laptop stand, my keyboard, my Apple Pencil dupe, and then now I will put in my, my stands here. So I've been really wanting to get these for when I'm studying at home. So yeah, I'm excited to use these. So I just got these products in the mail from Topicals, as I said before. As I said before, I got emailed through them, so I'm really like blessed because it's just like it's a brand at Sephora, and they have like 100K followers on Instagram, and I was like, okay, and I only have like 1,500 followers on Instagram, 1,500 followers on TikTok, so I was just like, I hope this isn't a scam. So yeah, I'm really excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys my first impressions on this. Just once said, that's not sponsored. So my first impressions of this brand so far is that they are vegan and cruelty free. The packaging is actually really good too, like the paper packaging and like the regular packaging. So I think the first thing is I hope I like the product in this, because so far I do not like the packaging of this. I opened this and it's like a toothpaste, like it looks like it's like a toothpaste tube, and it like squirted all over my hand. And also so if you've ever gotten a perm, it smells like you're getting a perm. It smells terrible. But there's kojic acid, tranexamic acid, melatonin. it's not like the same color. So yeah, I don't know. I like the serum when I rubbed it on my hand. It feels really nice. But again, it just smells so bad, and I just hope the packaging doesn't give me any more problems. Maybe it's because I just opened it today. But yeah. And then I also got the hydrating and soothing mist like butter. This is actually really cool because if I can get it off. It literally looks like a spray can. And also this smells a lot better. So I don't know. Okay. And then the spray has green tea, centella, acetica, I can't say it, allantoin, rhubarb, and ginseng. So yeah, I will be putting these into my skincare routine that I haven't been staying on point with. So yeah, I'm very grateful for this opportunity. Like, I was just so shocked because it came out of nowhere, because I'm not really, the only thing I'm excessively posting on now is YouTube, obviously. I've only been posting on Instagram and TikTok whenever I need to post, like, Octoly and influencer reviews, so, I just don't have the time. Like I said, I was going to do Halloween looks, so I didn't do any Halloween looks this year, and I'm really sad. So yeah, that's all I had to say. Again, I said it earlier, but I'll say it again, is that I do have a discount code with them. I'll put it on the screen, and I'll put down below. You guys can get 10% off your purchase if you guys are interested in trying anything. I'm gonna use these this week, and I will let you guys know if you like. If you want to, I'll let you guys know my thoughts about these, like in the future, like next week, like in my next vlog or the vlog after, I'll see how I like these. So yeah. birth control shot just to help my period and stuff. Like I don't get my periods, that's from my experience. So that's what I'm gonna go quickly do, and then probably chill for the rest of the night. I'm probably gonna practice some piano. I might work on more of my English paper that I was working on today. I got like 1/3 of it done today. I'm trying to get more of it done tomorrow. I just couldn't really like focus today is all. So yeah, let's go to the doctor. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling. Yeah. Or is it another migraine? If you know where that's from, I love you. Another day, another migraine. You can't see me, but it's been like a long time since I've been out this late on campus. Didn't get anything done because I had to watch the desk today, and I was playing Sims, to be honest. So either soon I have to get a start on these assignments. I'm just procrastinating and lazy. So yeah, I was gonna practice my instrument tonight, but I'm honestly tired. So I'm just gonna go home. Hello, I am staying home today because I had a nightmare at 4 in the morning, and that's and also I'm like really cold today, and I think I'm just gonna have a sick day. So I was gonna go to my English class, but it's past English class, and I don't want to go to work today, so I'm having a sick day. So I'm gonna have some McDonald's leftovers for brunch. I'm hungry. So yeah. I haven't been really drinking water, so that might be why I'm feeling like crap today. And it also might be because I got my shot on Tuesday, because sometimes I feel like crap after a shot. So yeah, don't be like me. Drink water. I need to start cutting back my Diet Coke because I've been drinking like 4 to 5 a day. I need to drink like 1 to 2 a day. So don't be like me, especially for you coffee drinkers. You shouldn't be drinking as much coffee, okay? Drink water. Team water. Stay hydrated. Good morning, guys. It's Friday. I'm about to get ready to go to class. And then I'm gonna come straight home and try and be productive. Tomorrow I have to go to this college event I don't really want to go to, but I signed up for it. And the lady that I met there was really nice, so I think I'm still gonna go. It's like from 9 to 2, so it'll be nice to go explore campus, another campus. It's like a private Christian college apparently, so I'll see how I like it. I'm not like, once I found out it was Christian, I was like, I don't know, because I'm not really religious, like at all. I've gone to church, but it never stuck with me. So yeah, let's get ready to go. And when I get back from my classes today, we are gonna make a plan for the weekend. Yeah, let's get ready. about 8:15. I think now I'm ready to like start making my plan for this weekend. I was gonna do it earlier, but I was honestly lazy. I've been lazy all day. I'm just gonna watch like some vlogs that are like getting my life together, because I kind of do, especially like for next year. I have a Notion template that I kind of want to like set up. Like, let me show you. My room isn't that bad. Say hi to Raina, everybody. I want to make my bed. I need to put my laundry away. There's not that much trash, not that many dishes or anything. I think one thing I've been feeling lazy and feeling like crap is apparently like in the winter time, fall, winter time, you like lose your productivity. Like I usually fall, like I'm not as productive like when the semester is about to end, aka me right now with my 4 mission assignments in English. I don't know what it is about. It's just that I'm not a very consistent person and I hate it. But yeah, I need to do those things. I have an assignment due on Monday. I really wish we didn't have to do it, but I gotta do it. And it's music theory, so and then tomorrow I'm gonna go to this college thing. I really don't want to. I don't want to because they're not really that high on my radar because they're private. And most private schools are more expensive. And this, like I said before, it's really Christian, and I'm not a big Christian person. Like I said before, I'm not a very religious person. But I'm gonna go because the lady that I met at the transfer fair, I'll link that vlog down below if you guys missed it. But she was really nice to me, and the college isn't far away, and where it is in this town, it's only 20 minutes away, but I didn't even know that there was a college there, so I was like, let's check it out, let's see if they can change my mind, and like, you'll get it. Look, the best part about going to like these transfer events, guys, is you get loads of free stuff, and you never know what you're gonna find. Like at my last college visit, guys, I got a freaking selfie light. Like, I was like, okay, thank you. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna go fill some water, but I think back to what I was saying earlier was I think, the reason why I've been feeling like crap lately is because I've been drinking too much soda. I think I've been doing like 3 to 4 things like a day, and it's really bad. I need to get back into my tea phase, because I used to be obsessed with sweet tea, and it wasn't like caffeinated, so like I could keep drinking it like all day. And the bad thing about Diet Coke is that there's caffeine in it, and I think that's why I haven't been sleeping. And then on Sunday, guys, we have time change. We're gonna gain an hour, so that I'm also excited, which I'm also gonna hope that will also help with my sleep schedule. So I'm excited. And also, I wanna clean up this shelf because I have loads of skincare I don't even use. So I really don't want to, but it's time for me to declutter it and see if my aunt wants any of it. I doubt she will, but it's time because literally it's just sitting there, and I need to get back into my skincare routine. So that's what we're also gonna do. We're gonna do some of it tonight, some of it tomorrow, some on Sunday. But first things first, I'm gonna go fill my water bottle, and we're going to make a weekend planned because I haven't been productive in weeks, and it's time. Okay, it's time. Thank you for listening to my rant. Let's do this. So I just made my weekend plan because, you know, like how like sometimes you just get those exercise activity. That's just what happened, okay? So, I made it for just the whole weekend. I might add more to Sunday because I don't really know. I'll either add more or do less on Sunday. It just depends how much I'm gonna be able to get done on Saturday. It honestly depends how tired I'm gonna be tomorrow. But I'm already gonna go ahead and check off my weekend plan, and now I'm going to work on putting my laundry away because it's gonna be folded out here for like 2 weeks. One bag's been out here for like 2 weeks, and then this other one has been here for like 1 week. So yeah, let's put it away. I'm gonna stop talking, and now I'm just gonna do a bunch of time lapses and just get everything done, so I don't have to keep coming back and forth and forth. And you guys are probably sick and tired of me talking, but it's just how I am. So. That's all my skincare upstairs. So let's go through it and sort it, okay? Sections, and then like I made like my new skincare routine, and like we'll see how I'll like it and see if it'll work. And now I put all my other skincare thingies back up on that shelf. Also, this bag is super heavy. So I've got like half of my list done now. My desk isn't terribly dirty, so I might add that. I think I'm just gonna add that to tomorrow's list. Probably clean it before I do like my study work, and then I'm probably gonna make my bed when I wake up tomorrow. That's what I'm thinking I'm gonna do. So I think the rest I'm just gonna work on my Notion, make my vision board, and work on my 12-week plan. I'll link the 12-week plan down below, and if you guys want a video on like how I did my vision board, I'll link the video that I watched for my vision board, and I'll show you guys what my vision board looks like. And it's probably not even a 12-week plan. I need to see how many weeks there are, and then I'll just like edit it, and I'll link the 12-week plan, and I'll link the YouTube channel, and I'll link the Instagram that I actually found this all on. With you guys. So
how about a little more, Plankton?
got ready quickly. I didn't do full face of makeup. I just put brow gel, mascara, and lip oil on. I'm gonna head to the college now. We'll see how it goes. It is raining. It's like spring. It's not like raining hard, but yeah, I will see you guys when we get to college. Yeah!